Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX daily review. We're starting off on the weekly, so I just want to get a couple of levels in here. So the first one is these two swing lows here, and my second one is pretty much where we bounced off last week. Okay, so we've got a trend change on the weekly, moving to the upside. Oscillator is a little bit tired, and we're also sort of back at a fairly significant level. Now, what's concerning me is this big head and shoulders hasn't really played out yet. So, I'm still kind of in bearish mode on this, on the long term. And the other thing that we need to pay attention to would be the fact that this bottom level here is 61.8 of this last move down. Okay, so this bar here is incorrect data. GT24 has this habit of doing that, which is my broker. But anyway, that is kind of the area that I'm still pretty interested in shorts. Okay, so let's just get down to the daily. So the daily we have let's move this to the middle. So the daily we've got, we had this nice rally, we had a little bit, like a 3-day pullback, inside bar, and then is this an exhaustion bar coming back to test the previous levels? Or are we going to come up and tag this resistance level of 12091? We have a potential double top on the oscillator, and we also have some diversions forming on the awesome oscillator at the moment. So the trend is up, so we should be looking for long. So this could just be a consolidation of this move up, which is possible. We'd need a break above this previous high. I'm going to have to use another line here. So we need a break above what's that, 12650, I think. No, 1250. Yeah, 1250. So 1250, we're going to need a daily close above that. Okay, but just bear in mind that this next level right here at 12091 is a major resistance. So you could very well have a stretch up to there and then another pullback. Okay, so get down to something that we can trade. So looking at the 4 hour, you can see we had this exhaustion bar, then we had sort of a pin bar from the top off a level, and then after hours we rallied again. This worries me. So the awesome oscillator is flat, which means momentum is dead. And then if you look at the Williams percentage R, we are back in a selling position. So you can see here we were in a selling position, and then we came off, and now we're back in that area again with no momentum at all. So this is a bit of a worry. I'm really 12091 I'm short. I think that's the bottom line. It's a major resistance. It's also a monthly, it's also a monthly area as well. So that is where I'm definitely looking for a short off that level. Okay, so I'm going to pop down to the 30 minutes, see if there's anything else we see. So we are pretty much 62 points away from that entry. And even the half hour, you can see diversions brewing here as well. Okay, brewing. It's not quite there yet, but it definitely is brewing. Okay, that's kind of my view. So it should still be long. You should still be looking for long up until this area here. So if we do get a break above 26047, and you're going to look for a 15-minute or 12-minute close above here, then you've got a couple of points long to the top, but that's definitely an area I'm looking for short. So 12091 is an area for me to be short, and just bear in mind that could extend to 12100 being a round number as well. So it'll be short with a 50-point stop loss. Okay, what am I looking for? I'm not quite sure, to be honest. It's going to be it's definitely going to be either forming a range, so in other words, move back down to pick up some of these tails at the bottom here, or alternatively, it's going to be sort of all the way down to the bottom here. So we'll have to wait and see, but I do suspect that there's going to be a fairly strong move off this level. This to me is just looking like a double top. May end up with a double top daily with diversions. And there's just so much that is not looking. It doesn't look like a really strong consolidation for the second move, if that makes sense. Okay, so if it comes back down to this level and we get some price action down here at 11,866, then I'll look for some profit taking and a long to the upside. But obviously we need to break below 11,866. We need to break below 11,866 in order for this trend to even start changing. So if you look at the 4 hour, that's pretty much the area that we've got to break below. Okay, that would give us a trend change. Okay, so that's my view at the moment. Looking a little bit suspect, and I'm looking for a short of 12,091. Okay, anyway guys, hope that helps, and I will catch you later. Cheers for now.